Welcome to our roundup of the best multi-tools, versatile pocket-sized gear that gives you a multi-purpose solution for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, home tasks, and quick fixes on the go. Whether you need a screwdriver in a pinch, a bottle opener on a camping trip, or a blade for outdoor prep, a quality multi-tool keeps essential functions within reach without carrying a full toolbox. We've handpicked tools that deliver durable construction, thoughtful tool layouts, and dependable performance across different tasks and lifestyles. We'll break down each multi-tool's key features like materials, included functions, ease of use, and portability, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Perwin 17 in 1 stainless steel multi-tool, an affordable and dependable option that's great for beginners and everyday users alike. Built from durable stainless steel, this tool packs 17 useful functions into a compact, foldable design that fits comfortably in your pocket or backpack. Inside the Perwin, you'll typically find essentials like pliers, screwdrivers, knife blade, file, bottle opener, can opener, and more, all designed to cover common tasks from tightening loose screws to opening packages. One of its best features is how quickly you can switch between tools. Each component folds out smoothly and locks securely in place, making it easy to use even if you're new to multi-tools. Users appreciate this model for its balanced mix of utility and affordability. It's a reliable companion for casual outdoor use, quick household fixes, or emergency gear without costing a lot. While it may not have every high-end feature found in professional multi-tools, the Perwin 17 in 1 stainless steel multi-tool delivers solid performance and everyday convenience that's hard to beat at its price point. Next up at number 4 is the Gyriatus 17 in 1 multi-tool knife, which blends practical functions with a central focus on a quality blade. If you're someone who always finds yourself using a pocket knife as a go-to tool, whether it's for cutting rope, opening boxes, or food prep while camping, this multi-tool brings that core functionality plus extra versatility. Along with the knife blade, this tool typically includes other useful features like pliers, screwdrivers, a saw, file, bottle opener, and more, making it a good choice for outdoor trips, daily tasks, or workshop use. The build is commonly durable metal, and each tool folds out with secure locking to prevent slips during use. Users often highlight how comfortable it feels in hand and how the knife function stands out as particularly sharp and practical. While it doesn't carry the widest range of gadgets in our lineup, the Gyriatus 17 in 1 multi-tool knife makes excellent use of the tools it includes, focusing on everyday practicality and dependable blade use. For anyone who wants a balanced multi-tool with a strong knife component, this model is a dependable choice. Moving in at number 3 is the Mossy Oak 21 in 1 multi-tool, a rugged and outdoors-ready option that shines when you need a broader selection of functions without sacrificing build quality. With 21 tools packed into a compact unit, this model steps up its game for campers, hikers, fishermen, and everyday carry enthusiasts who appreciate extra versatility. Inside the Mossy Oak, you'll often find tools like pliers, wire cutters, saw blade, screwdrivers in multiple sizes, bottle and can openers, file, and more, giving you flexibility for a wider range of tasks both in the wild and at home. Its textured grip and solid construction make it easier to use in tougher conditions, and the lanyard hole or belt pouch, on some versions, keeps it accessible when you're out and about. Users appreciate how this tool feels dependable and ready for bigger jobs, whether tightening a loose bolt, trimming small branches, or opening a cold drink after a hike. While it's not the smallest tool on the list, its expanded function set and rugged design make the Mossy Oak 21 in 1 multi-tool perfect for anyone who wants serious versatility from a compact form factor. At number 2, we have the RAK multi-tool pen, a clever twist on the traditional multi-tool that's perfect if you want functionality in a minimalist package. This isn't a full plier-style gadget. Instead, it's a cleverly designed pen that packs essential tools into something you carry every day anyway, a writing instrument. The RAK multi-tool pen typically includes functions like screwdrivers, bottle opener, stylus tip, ruler markings, and more, all integrated without making it bulky. It's designed to slip easily into a pocket, pen loop, or bag, and you can grab it without thinking twice, whether you're tightening a screw on your glasses or jotting down notes. Users love how unobtrusive it is and how quickly it turns from a writing tool into a helpful gadget in everyday situations. While it doesn't replace larger multi-tools for bigger jobs, the RAK multi-tool pen shines as a smart EDC, everyday carry, piece that makes small tasks easier without the bulk. If you like streamlined gear that's always ready but never intrusive, this pen-style multi-tool is a clever and practical pick. Finally, taking our number 1 spot is the Weetals multi-tool with pocket knife, a standout choice that combines excellent build quality, thoughtful tool layout, and everyday reliability. This model typically includes a robust set of tools like pliers, pocket knife, screwdrivers, wire cutters, saw, bottle opener, and more, all crafted with durable materials that hold up to frequent use. What puts this multi-tool at the top of our list is how well-rounded its tool set feels. It covers a wide range of daily and outdoor tasks without feeling overwhelming or overly complex. Each tool usually locks securely in place, which helps keep your fingers safe during use, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for repeated jobs. Users often comment on how solid the construction feels and how dependable it is whether you're fixing gear, tackling household tasks, or preparing for a weekend outdoors. The pocket knife component on the Weetals multi-tool with pocket knife is sharp and practical, while the additional tools, from screwdrivers to a bottle opener, give you real utility right when you need it. If you want a single multi-tool that feels like a reliable everyday companion with broad capability, this model earns its top spot for its combination of design, performance, and versatility. And that wraps up our roundup of the best multi-tools this year. From the value-packed Perwin 17 in 1 stainless steel multi-tool, the blade-focused Giriatus 17 in 1 multi-tool knife, the rugged Mossy Oak 21 in 1 multi-tool, the clever RAK multi-tool pen, to our top pick, the Weetals multi-tool with pocket knife. There's a perfect tool here for every lifestyle and need. Which multi-tool are you adding to your gear setup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the ideal multi-tool for your daily tasks today. Thanks for watching.